Hi guys, I have a little problem. I need a little advice here. I built this it's an analog overdrive but controlled digitally controlled with some digital potentiometers. And there's a microprocessor here which is a ESP32, and there's an OLED screen over there. Um, this is here. This here is a isolator, one of these DC converters isolator. So it's isolated, so that means that 5 volts that feed the microprocessor and the screen and all the digital part of the circuit is completely isolated from the audio power circuit. So the grounds are also separated. This converter here separates the grounds. So the grounds are also isolated. So I don't understand why I'm getting this noise. You hear that? And the effect is not even on. If I turn it on, see? Now, if I disconnect the 5-volt circuit, the noise will stop. So it's definitely the digital part that is doing this noise. But if I disconnect the power supply from the pedal board and connect another power supply like this, another transformer, another power brick like this. Yeah. If I connect it, I'm going to turn it on, and as you can see, there's no noise. Even if I turn the effect on, see, no noise. And if I turn the guitar on, this is loud, so I think. Actual. Why is not that loud? Now this is the guitar, the pickup that is catching the. But you can see. And the booster. This is a booster, but actually there's no noise apart from the shh. That's normal, right? So even if I go here to this preset and turn the volume on, up, like this. Oh, that's loud. Fuck. See, but there's normal distortion, but no digital noise. So what do you think this could be? I understand, because I'm isolating the grounds here, but I still need a separate power supply. Why?